Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled, and in this video we have a new Instagram feature. And that feature is the ability to pin posts onto your Instagram profile. Now the catch is that it's in the testing phase and they're rolling it out slowly. And how this actually works, I managed to get an image of it. So let me just find it real quick. This is what it looks like. You can see here when you go ahead and click on the three vertical dots on the top right of your posts, you'll get this menu, and then you can see here an option that says pin to your profile. That's what you'll be able to see when you have that feature enabled on your account. So you'll just go onto your Instagram profile like this, find a post, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right, and then you'll see that option right here in this list of options. Now, like I said, this is in the testing phase, so you're just going to have to wait. It's probably going to be released slowly over time in the next couple of weeks or so, but some people have it right now and some people don't. So all you need to do is make sure you keep your Instagram app updated. You can turn on automatic updates for your device, and then when that rolls out, you'll be able to get the feature. I'll also be doing an update video when it releases, so make sure you're subscribed for that. But that's the new update Instagram has been working on for a while. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.